Welcome to this exceptional home in a prime West Hills location. You'll enjoy valley views from this home ideally situated in the pristine Green Hills neighborhood. It's masterfully designed with large windows and multiple decks so you can enjoy the lush green setting. Heading inside, you'll discover a light and bright contemporary interior with maple hardwoods, open living spaces, and high ceilings. The updated Neil Kelly kitchen will inspire your inner chef. With 7 decks, it's easy to relax and enjoy views of the greenspace, valley, and sunsets. You'll find multiple entertainment and living areas with abundant natural light. Plenty of space for everyone with more than 3,900 square feet, 4 bedrooms, and 3.5 baths. The master suite has a whole level by itself, including a large walk-in closet. From here, you can enjoy 2 of the decks. You'll find a convenient study nook. Relax and recharge in your own private indoor spa. On the lowest level, you'll find more inspiring spaces with a direct connection to the outdoors. Living here, you'll also enjoy easy access to downtown Portland, and it's just minutes from popular dining and entertainment options. A beautiful West Hills hideaway in a highly sought-after location. It's all here ready for you to call home. For your own personal tour, please contact Karen Gardner-Johnson with Premier Property Group at 503-901-6060.